Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have studied about equation of a line passing through given point and parallel to the given vector. That is, vector form what you have written there? You have written the vector form is the r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. That is the equation of the line is passing through the point A of a bar and parallel to the vector or directional vector b bar. Then r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, where lambda is a real number. This is a vector equation. Further, this one you are derived the Cartesian equation is the x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. This is the Cartesian equation. Further, you are divided, this one is the root of a square plus b square plus c square. It becomes x minus x1 by l is equal to y minus y1 by m is equal to z minus z1 by n. That is the Cartesian equation. Further, we will some examples on this problem. For example, what they are asked, observe there. Find the vector equation and Cartesian equation. Find vector and Cartesian equation of a line passing through the point 5 to minus 4 and which is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 8k. 3 plus 2j minus 8k. Now observe there what they are given. Observe their solution. Solution is given a of a bar, what they are given 5 to minus 4. That implies what you are going to get, a bar is equal to 5i plus 2j minus k. If you want to write, you can write the I, j, k be the unit vector trade along the axis and O be the fixed point or origin. Then a bar is equal to, also if you write that one, this is somewhat beautiful. Now here and b bar what they are given, b bar is given as 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Now what is the formula we have? We have equation of the line. We have equation of the line. What is the equation of the line we have? Okay, we have the equation of the line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. A bar plus lambda b bar. A bar plus lambda b bar means r bar is equal to, for lambda is a real number. Now r bar is equal, what is the a bar you have? 5i plus 2j minus 8k plus, okay, lambda into 3i plus 2j minus 8k. This is the vector equation. It is the vector equation. It is the vector equation. Now further what they are asked, they are asked that find the Cartesian equation also now. Okay, now what do we have? Let px comma y comma z be any arbitrary, any point on the line whose position vector is r bar. Therefore what you got? R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Now you are going to get what you are going to get? Therefore r bar is equal to that one what I am writing, observe there, xi plus yj plus zk is equal to, I am expanding this one for our convenience, that is 5i plus 2j minus 8k plus 3 lambda I plus 2 lambda j minus 8 lambda k. Okay, now this is xi plus yj plus zk is equal to 5 plus 3 lambda I plus 2 plus 2 lambda j plus minus 8, this is my 4k, no, this is 4k, no, this is minus 4k, that means minus 4 minus 8 lambda k. Okay, now what you are going to get from this one here now? Comparing both sides, I, j, k coefficients, x is equal to 5 plus 3 lambda, y is equal to 2 plus 2 lambda plus, and z is equal to minus 4 minus 8 lambda. Take inside x minus 5 is equal to 3 lambda. Therefore, x minus 5 by 3 is equal to lambda. And y minus 2 is equal to 2 lambda. Therefore, y minus 2 by 2 is equal to lambda. Z plus 4 is equal to minus 8 lambda. And z plus 4 by minus 8 is equal to lambda. Hence, required equation, hence required Cartesian equation is what you are going to get? X minus 5 by 3 is equal to y minus 2 by 2 is equal to z plus 4 by minus 8. This is the equation, required equation. This is the vector form and this is the Cartesian form. Now here we are entering into another concept. What we have studied, first one is a line passing through a given point and parallel to the given vector. And now here we are going to discuss a equation of the line. Passing through two given points, passing through given points. Okay, now what I'm taking, observe there, here it passes through the 2 points. Okay, let the given line, the required line or given line, the required line passes through the points A, x1, y1, z1, B, x2, y2, z2 with position vectors A bar and B bar. Okay, with the position vectors, what you got? OA bar is, that is, what you got? That is OA bar is equal to A bar, and that is equal to x1 I, y1 j plus z1 k, and OB bar is equal to B bar, that is equal to x2 I plus y2 j plus z2 k. Next, let here another one we should know, no? Any point, arbitrary point. Let R bar be the position vector. R bar be the position vector of any point. That means what is the point? This is the arbitrary pointer. Arbitrary point P, x comma y comma z, that means x y z on line AB, on line AB bar. Okay, now that means what you are going to get? That is OP bar is equal to R bar that is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, now we see the figure what we are getting. Observe that here I am drawing the three-dimensional geometry, that is x, y, z space. This is the space. Now this is a line passing through the 2 points. This is the A, x1, y1, z1, and this is B, x2, y2, z2. Now whose position vectors are? This is A bar and this is B bar. Further, what we have taken, any point you can take here, any point P, x comma, y comma, z on the line, this is R bar. Okay. Now what you have to get observed there. Now we should need the equation of the line passing through the points A, B, okay. Now here A, P, B are collinear or not? A, B and A, P are collinear or not? Okay. Now first clearly what we can write? Clearly AB bar comma AP bar and PB bar also, but we required here only two vectors, AB bar comma AP bar are collinear. AB bar are collinear. If these are the collinears, what do you know? Two vectors A bar comma B bar are collinear means A bar is equal lambda B bar or B bar is equal lambda bar. Therefore, AB bar is equal to lambda AB bar. Now what is the AP bar? AP bar is the OP bar minus OA bar is equal to lambda into OB bar minus OA bar. Now what you got? OP bar is R bar, OA bar is A bar, OB bar is B bar. Therefore R bar minus A bar is equal to lambda into B bar minus A bar. Therefore what we can write here? Therefore R bar is equal to lambda A bar minus A bar become plus A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. This is the vector equation of the line. Further you want to write, you can extend this one and we can write. Now it is the what you are derived, that is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar minus A bar. It is the vector equation of required line. Vector equation of the line. Okay. Now second one, we should derive the Cartesian form. Now we have what we have just now we have written. Now from above we have R bar is equal to what you have? Xi plus Yj plus Zk, and A bar is equal to what you have? X1i plus Y1j plus Z1k, and B bar is equal to what you have? X2i plus Y2j plus Z2k. Now from this one, if you are substituted in this equation, what you are going to get observed there? Here for our convenience I am taking the raw equation, that is R bar minus A bar is equal to lambda into B bar minus A bar I am taken. Now R bar, what is the R bar? Xi plus Yj plus Zk minus X1i plus Y1j plus Z1k is equal to lambda into X2i plus Y2j plus Z2k minus X1i plus Y1j plus Z1k. Now if you are expanded this one, what you are going to get? Xi plus Yj plus Zk minus X1i plus minus y1j minus z1k is equal to lambda into x2I plus y2j plus z2k minus x1I minus y1j minus z1k. If you are taken I, j, k common on both sides, what you are going to get? Observe there. Here x minus x1 into I plus y minus y1 into j plus z minus z1 into k is equal to lambda into x minus x1 in x2 minus x1 I plus y2 minus y1 j plus z2 minus z1 k. Now here what you are going to get? x2 minus x1 into lambda I plus y2 minus lambda into y2 minus y1 j plus lambda into z2 minus z1 k. Now comparing on both sides, what you are going to get? Coefficient of this one is the, therefore what you are going to get? X minus x1 is equal lambda into x2 minus x1 and y minus y1 is equal to lambda into y2 minus y1 and z minus z1 is equal lambda into z2 minus z1. From this one, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to lambda, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to lambda and z minus z1 by z2 minus z1 lambda. From these all equation, hence Cartesian equation of the line is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. This is the Cartesian equation of the line. Okay, this is the second form of the equation of the line. Now we solve some examples on these two forms of the straight line. Okay, first I am taking some second form. We have solved one of the basic problem of the first form. Now here find the equation, that means here vector equations, vector and Cartesian of the line passing through the points, what they are given? -1, 0, 2 and 3, 4, 6. Now here observe that what they are given. Let a bar, what to take the a bar and b bar and r bar. No, let I am taking here solution. Let a bar comma b bar be the position vectors of the points a -1, 0, 2 and b bar b 3, 4, 6. Therefore what you are going to get? We are going to get therefore a bar is equal to -1 into I plus 0 into j plus 2k, that is nothing but -I plus 2j, and b bar is equal to 3I plus 4j plus 6k. Okay, now these are the vectors a bar and b bar. Okay, further what you have to find? Observe there, b bar minus a bar. B bar minus a bar is equal to, what is a b bar? 3I plus 4j plus 6k, minus into minus plus I minus 2j. Now what you are going to get? Observe there, b bar minus a bar is equal to, b bar minus a bar is the 3 bar plus I, 3 plus 1, 4, 4I plus 4j plus 4k. This is the b bar minus a bar. Now we have vector equation. What we have? We have vector equation. What is the vector equation? vector equation of the line r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. Therefore, r bar is equal to, what is a b bar? A bar? A bar is the minus I plus 2j plus lambda into 4i plus 4j plus 4k. This is the vector equation. Vector equation. Now we have to reduce the Cartesian equation. We have to reduce the Cartesian equation means what you are going to write here. Here for Cartesian equation, what do you have? We have to write the, okay. Now let p x comma y comma z be any point on the line with the position vector x r bar. Therefore, r bar is equal to what you are going to get? Xi plus yj plus zk. That is, now we substitute in that one. Therefore, xi. Now, what is the formula I am taking here? Observe there. R bar minus, here a bar I am taking this side. A bar is equal lambda into b bar minus a bar I am taking first. Somewhat convenient. Therefore, here we are going to get xi plus yj plus zk minus a bar minus I plus 2j is equal lambda into b bar minus a bar 4i plus 4j plus 4k. Now here what you are going to get, observe there, x minus I know, therefore x minus 1 into I plus y minus 2 minus into minus 1, this is minus minus plus, and this is a y minus 2 j plus z minus 0 k is equal to 4 lambda I plus 4 lambda j plus 4 lambda k. Comparing on both sides, x plus 1 is equal to 4 lambda, y minus 2 is equal to 4 lambda, and z minus 0 is z is equal to 4 lambda. Therefore, x plus 1 by 4 is equal to lambda, y minus 2 by 4 is equal to lambda, and z by 4 is equal to lambda. Now you got, now what you got, the hence Cartesian equation is, hence Cartesian equation is, what you got here, x minus, what you got, observe there from the previous case, x minus x plus 1 by 4, x plus 1 by 4 is equal to lambda, y minus 2 by 4 is equal to lambda, z by 4 is equal to lambda. Therefore, what you are going to get, x plus 1 by 4 is equal to y minus 2 by 4 is equal to z by 4. This is the Cartesian equation, required Cartesian equation. Okay. Now, usually these problems are going to give for the 5 marks, 3 plus 2 basis, 3 marks for the theorem and 2 marks for the problem. Okay. That depends on. Now further in this one only applications, they may ask that one. He may give the Cartesian equation and ask to find the vector equation. Otherwise, he will give the vector equation and ask to find the Cartesian equation. Now find the Cartesian of the line x plus 3 by 2 is equal y minus 5 by 4 is equal z plus 4, z plus 6 by 2 they are given, for example. That means clearly it is in the form. Now what you can write? Now clearly it is in the form. It is in the form x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Therefore, what you are going to get? Minus x1 is equal to 3, minus y1 is equal to minus 5, and minus z1 is equal to 6. Therefore, x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 5, minus minus gets cancelled, z1 is equal to minus 6. Further, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 2. Okay, therefore what we are going to get now? A bar is equal to what you can get? 3i, that is x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k, that is equal to, you are going to get minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k, and b bar is equal to ai plus bj plus ck. That implies what you are going to get? 2i plus 4j plus 2k. Hence required vector equation is, what you are going to get? R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to a bar. What is a bar? You have minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k plus lambda into b bar is 2i plus 4j plus 2k. This is the vector equation. Thank you. That's all.